400 students were surveyed as to whether they would vote for a particular individual as a student representative. The results were 20% plus or minus 4%. What level of confidence has been used in the survey? So if we have 20% plus or minus 4%, that's giving us that our p hat is 0.2 and that E is 0.04. Now let's look at a couple of different ways of doing it. We know that E, the margin of error, is Z times the standard deviation. So Z multiplied by the square root of 0.2 times 0.8 divided by 400 is equal to 0.04. So Z, you could just solve this, or you could do 0.04 divided by the square root of 0.2 times 0.8 over 400. So let's calculate that. And so we get 0.04 over the square root of 0.2 times 0.8 over 400. And that gives us 2. So we know that Z is equal to 2. Then we can, so remember the sampling distribution here is normal. And if we're talking about Z, we're talking about standard normal. So what we're looking at is this region here. So we can do a normal CDF going from -2 to 2, parameters for standard normal already in there. And so what we're saying is that it's a 95.45%. Okay, let's look at another way of doing the same thing. So let's go to our E activity. Now we can go to the sample N. We know that E is 0.04. We know the P is 0.2. We don't know the Z score, but we know that there were 400 students. So we have to make sure the Z is like that. And then you get Z is 2. And then we can go for Z score CI. The Z is 2 is already in there. And we solve for the confidence interval. And we get 95.45%.